Dacia has officially revealed the all-new Dacia Striker, a new C-segment crossover that combines the dynamism of a station wagon, the practicality of a spacious hatchback, and the ground clearance of an SUV. Measuring 4.62 meters in length, Striker is a multi-energy crossover that complements Bigster within Dacia's C-segment lineup. Together, the two models form a robust and essential duo, designed to strengthen the brand's presence in this strategic segment. True to Dacia's DNA, Striker features a robust and confident design. Its dynamic lines, aerodynamic silhouette, and assertive vertical front end are complemented by the brand's new, modern daytime running light signature. Particular attention has been paid to design details, including a distinctive front door animation and a glossy black rear link between the lamps, enhanced by a technical grain that reinforces the vehicle's modern and durable character. First presented in an avant-premiere at Future Ready during the Strategy Day, Striker will be fully revealed in June. The range will include a hybrid version, a hybrid 4x4, and an LPG variant. With a starting price below €25,000, Striker significantly broadens access to electrified mobility for both retail and fleet customers. Guys, if you like our videos, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.